Step 1. Open the box and remove the product. Place the product accessories neatly. Step 2. Assemble the screws and the washers. Fix the dashboard storage box in the rear position behind the screen using the assembled screws. Install the silicone pad. Step 3. Install the bracket on both sides of the dashboard storage organizer. Attach the black magnetic mount to the bracket. Remove the adhesive on the iron ring. Install it on the back of the phone. Remove the film and complete the installation.